am I seeing? How can you go to the riverside on your wedding day? You are supposed to stay home to be adored.
Yes, brother. But it doesn't change anything if I go to the riverside.
Oh, yes, of course. But if it was other lazy town girl, the story would have been different. Aye, for you.
Brother, please, how is Auntie?
Oh, she's fine.
My regards to her.
Today. I am coming today. I am at your disposal the whole day, Bema.
Welcome, my brother.
Please. I want you to give me a role to play on your wedding ceremony. See the Chamitum.
Capital, we not that John. See you draw no Macassi. Yes, capital, capital town. Oh, now, Papa, remind me. Say what? You give. See the drop and Mr. Capital. Make them correct. Mom, come call it that. Make the kind.
You know what? You're using a good Bible. Everybody says Flora is good.
Water. Why are there? Why are there? Much of the so.
Wife,
with us.
now going.
You're not in me much of the me much of the
Hello, Alana, Mammy said.
Bema conceive.
Oh, hello, Ala. Who they walk?
And come in out. As our bottom.
Here was Yati.
Bottom.
Oh, Wapa. Here was Yapa.
Oh, what dear?
Hello, Ala. Oh, it's Oko. Oh, Ade, you're right there. Oh, hello, Ala. Hello, Ala. Oh, it's Oko. Yo, Kabita. Tell Ejapia. My elders, you heard Elder Bediakun. Yo, Capital, go ahead and break the news to them. Yo, Elder Bediakun, our elder says that when a bird perches on top of your roof, it has come to pay a visit. We are here for a good purpose. Ejapia wants me to tell the elders that his son, Berimasechi, has spotted a beautiful flower in your house, and he has therefore come to seek of the hand of that beauty, which is your daughter, Foiwa, for his son, Berimasechi. Kabita, thank you. Could you relate to my friend, Ejapia, that I fed him? Our elders say that it is the accused who can say the right confession. As tradition and custom demands, I shall invite Forua to come before us here and ask her if she loves Sechi and accept him as her husband. Bema Mufa, you can't swing this now. For you, we have gathered here all because of you. The good news is that Bema Sichi here has expressed his desire to take your hand in marriage according to our custom. So we called you here to tell the gathering whether you accept him and want him to pay your dowry. Tiawa.
Yes, I accept him.
So bad. I've really missed something. I wish I was at the ceremony yesterday. But just thank God for Furuwa's life.
Oh, rest your head. Are we all not in this town? We shall see if that marriage shall mean anything. Yeah, do you know Furuwa snatched Sechi from me?
What? Frema, you don't mean it.
Huh. Have I lied to you before? It was I who told Furuwa that Sechi was eyeing me and sought her advice if I could go with him.
Are you sure? Well, but you can't blame her. It's the man you must blame. After all, he couldn't keep his faith with you. Hey, this man. I will ask Sechi.
Yeah, please don't go and worry Sechi. Furuwa has already bewitched him.
You know me, I don't have a bad element in me. That's why people say I'm too straightforward.
Mark it on this wall that their marriage will not last a wink. Anyone who eats unripe pawpaw, it is sir.
Sounds treacherous. I don't believe Furuwa is a witch. Okay, let me ask you a question. Why then did you force yourself to be her bridesmaid when you harbor all this malice against her?
Oh, you know she's my cousin and I have to shun all my bitterness for the occasion.
But now she's married. You just have to let her be. After all, what will you gain in wishing her evil?
I'm not the one wishing her evil though. You just wait and see how her own witchery will destroy that marriage.
Please change the topic. I don't feel comfortable wishing her.
Mr. and Mrs. Sister, is there any food reserved for me?
Yes, so you can go to the kitchen and pick yours.
So, sister, you left only 2 pieces of meat for me, eh?
Frema, but yours is enough. Your sister had to share the fufu with a lot of others.
So, Brother Sechi, you are defending your wife, eh? Furuwa, there's too much salt in the soup. Anyway, pepper. Furuwa, we all know you can't cook. So don't use Brother Sechi's tummy for experiment.
Sister, why are you talking like this?
Good afternoon, Sister. Hey, yeah, I'm greeting you.
Hi, Frema. Guess what? My husband has luckily made a catch. A big grass cutter. So come early this evening. Yesterday you complained that your meat was not sufficient.
Hey, Frema, what am I hearing from your cousin? That you dined with them yesterday?
Sister, I'm not lying though. You can ask her.
I'm shocked. Mr. Furuwa, I'm sorry for my behavior towards you when you got in and greeted.
Sorry I didn't respond. You see, I was blindly following Frema because of what she told me about you. I'm very sorry.
Why should you have one malice against me without even telling me?
Yeah? Have I told you anything bad about Foriwa?
Hey, Frema. It's okay. Mr. Foriwa, sorry.
Yeah, you can't be trusted.
Didn't you say it?
Is this Taya? What nasty thing did Frema told you about me?
It's not now. Later, I'll tell you everything. How are you?
I'm fine.
But why the rush?
Haven't you heard?
No. What is it?
What a shameful act.
Oh, you are keeping me in suspense. What is it?
Is Frema Kwabota's going to marry?
What? Incredible, Capital. You don't mean it.
It's even coming on Butu. And Kodi has paid a quarrel with Frema about that.
But how does Kodi come in?
For me, I think Kodi has an affair with Frema.
Jesus Christ. Hey!
You are serious. We got married, but still no sign yet.
Oh yes, we need to be worried. Your mother-in-law asked me to pray with you. She seems anxiously having a grandchild.
Oh, our mothers. My mother has been bothering me a lot about it.
It's all right. You may go.
What's the animal to my wedding for concern? Go see a chama, I don't know what to say.
Chasso,
Sister Suba in a way, yet.
when you send me a fan check, me then flew Nadia.
Nakupa sada bo bema. Now do payoba.
Nakuba the obo me pa. Obo me. Obo me yo, obo me. And you jam will be. At first, you will be.
Yeah. Shall you say?
O me catch them. Obey Moon, it's over.
Sanem,
Maybe
I cry, maybe maybe pill.
About wasting your master.
Sister Suba.
I shall me too. Obey Moon, it. Obey Moon, it. I'll find out. Honestly.
I regret my stupid actions yesterday. I'm very sorry.
Oh, don't brood over it.
Sister, my advice for you is that you have to be very careful of that your cousin, Frema. If she hadn't joined us yesterday for you to talk about her dining with you, God is so good. She had previously said some nasty things about you, concluding that you snatched Sechi from her.
What? Me? Are you sure?
Sister, me? Yeah, face the one. One thing I have promised my soul is that I will never tell a lie. Fema said so, and some other horrible remarks. Only beware of her.
Hey, but Fema has been lying to us. Always cracking jokes. Sister, I can't about this alone. My husband must hear this.
Why don't you leave her to her feet?
No. My husband must hear this. It's Fema.
Forever, your husband has asked me to come and call you.
Sure, sister. Then I'll be back.
Mommy, I'm waiting to go inside.
Baby, enter here. And then my prepare. Where is that wife of yours?
Mother, Furu was going to fetch water for Pastor David.
So when is Furu going to stop a regular visit to a pastor's house? Always neglecting her household responsibilities in the name of going to a pastor's house. Mommy, Miss Al, is your wife no romance sister?
Oh, Mother, I only told her to do him that favor.
Well, I came here to tell you your father has been agreeing to my proposal to find you a new wife. From all indication, Oforiwa is barren. She cannot produce babies for you.
Mother, let me ask you, which of us is God to determine the destiny of one another? Oforiwa is not barren, and I can't do this to her.
I used to say that Oforiwa is not barren. How many years now since you got married? 3 good years, and you had the guts to tell me Oforiwa is not barren.
Mother, have you forgotten I'm a Christian?
Hey, Christopher, Kwame, polygamy is not a sin if you don't know. Abraham, Jacob, David, Solomon, all of them took many wives, but God blessed them all.
Okay. Mother, what makes you think that the second wife I'm going to have will get pregnant immediately and start producing babies?
Kwame, we shall get you a new wife and you take it as an order from your parents. Me ko oba catching some me baha me asamasa me di Japan and me deba. Hey man, welcome. Hey, who's your man? Are you so uncivilized? Well, I came here to ask you to produce babies for my son. Otherwise, my son is getting married to a woman who can produce babies, not someone like you. There's a word DT, what dressing, because of you. Open, and you didn't hear me. I have fire, and you didn't hear me. Mr. Me, Papa. Me more just one man, that's a one woman. Not just a meeting, that's my son. I'm a cousin.
Again to bossy, any ambutire, any ocean, any auto, any obu, any yamishu, again to bossy.